this video, I cover a question from somebody, which is, what are my thoughts post-COVID in terms of buying commercial property and how risky is it going to be? Watch the video to find out. I don't think commercial property is going to be risky at all, simply because I think partly people will go back to normal ways, and I know there's a lot of talk about, oh, what's the new normal? I don't think there is no new normal. There's some things are going to change in terms of online shopping and how people do things, and more people will use Zoom and Teams and that type of stuff. But I think most people will go back to old habits, simple as that. Even now when I'm talking to people, they're saying, oh, they're more productive in the office than they are working from home. So people are admitting that now themselves. I'm not saying that applies to every single business, by the way. I'm saying more of those types of conversations are taking place today than they were 6 months ago. So I think things will pick up and go back to the old normal 6, 12, 18 months time, if not quicker. In terms of commercial property being risky, there's good deals right now. So it depends what you're looking to do. If you're looking to do commercial conversions, absolutely good time to buy, because you're going to get really good deals. You can convert them. Obviously the price per square foot is lower now than it was, say, 2 years ago, so that's going to benefit you immensely. If you're looking to buy property to rent out on short, medium or long-term leases, then probably chop up the property into smaller sections rather than having one big tenant, have 3 or 4 smaller tenants, and that's working well, and maybe use that for the ground floor, and the uppers have it as residential. So mixed use properties, I think, are working incredibly well, whether in the town centre or outside the town centre, in small urban areas. So that's what you ought to be thinking about.